Running a business isn't easy, especially when you're not getting the online attention you need. But that's where we come in. At SmartWebPros, we know how to make your business shine online. Our team of experts specialize in search engine optimization, or SEO. We study your market, identify the right keywords, and optimize your website so it climbs to the top of search engine results. More visibility means more visitors. And more visitors mean more customers. We don't just bring traffic, we bring the right traffic. Start attracting customers who are actually interested in what you have to offer. So, stop struggling to be seen. Let SmartWebPros do the work for you. SmartWebPros, your partner in online success.